9 out of 10 women over 40 are using the wrong products for wrinkles. Wrinkles aren't a life sentence. They are just part of the normal aging process. But who says you have to keep seeing them? Let me say this first. Your frustration is valid. The beauty industry pushes expensive serums and procedures, making you feel like aging is a problem to fix. But here's the truth. Wrinkles can soften, sagging can lift, and elasticity can return if you give your skin the right tools. In this video, I'll tell you 5 natural kitchen table DIY methods to tighten sagging skin, erase wrinkles, and restore elasticity. No lasers, no toxins, no endless routines. Stick around. The first trick takes 3 minutes, and the results will shock you. Hi, I'm Cherry, and for the past 10 years, I've been studying ancient skincare secrets and natural remedies. And guess what I found? Nature holds the best anti-aging solutions, like the 5 methods I'm sharing today. No labs, no toxins, just science-backed ingredients your skin craves. Let's start. 1. Flaxseed Gel Mask. Flaxseed gel is a secret behind plumping and soothing skin. To make it, boil 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in 100 milliliters of water for 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens into a gel-like consistency. Strain the mixture using an organza cloth to remove the seeds, leaving behind a silky, smooth gel. For an extra boost, freeze that gel in ice molds. This creates a refreshing, depuffing treatment for mornings. To use, massage the gel onto your face, neck, and hands twice daily. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Within 3 days, you'll notice deep wrinkles softening and your skin feeling bouncy and hydrated. Why it works? Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help plump the skin. They also contain lignans, which act as antioxidants to protect your skin from damage. Number 2, Shea Butter Aloe Cream. This cream combines the collagen-boosting power of shea butter with the deep hydration of aloe vera. Start by melting 1 teaspoon of shea butter. You can use a microwave or hot water. Mix it with 6 tablespoons of flaxseed gel, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and 5 drops of vitamin E oil. Stir it until smooth and store it in the fridge for up to 2 months to keep it fresh. Apply this cream every morning and night, focusing on areas prone to wrinkles like around the eyes and neck. In just 7 days, you'll see crow's feet fading and your skin tightening like a natural facelift. Why it works? Shea butter is packed with fatty acids and vitamins that repair the skin barrier and simulate collagen production. Aloe vera, on the other hand, penetrates deep into the skin to deliver hydration, while vitamin E protects against free radicals. Number 3, Coffee and Starch Firming Mask. This mask uses caffeine and starch to firm and rejuvenate aging skin. Start by cooking 1 tablespoon of wheat starch with 100 milliliters of milk over low heat until it forms a creamy paste. Let it cool, then mix in 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, 5 drops of jojoba oil, 7 drops of glycerin, and 1 capsule of vitamin E. Blend until smooth and transfer it to a glass jar. Apply the mask to your face, décolletage, and hands 3 times a week, leaving it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. After a few days, your skin texture will feel smoother and you'll notice a visible improvement in elasticity. Why it works? Caffeine stimulates collagen production and improves blood flow, while wheat starch firms sagging skin. Glycerin and jojoba oil lock in moisture, and vitamin E provides antioxidant protection to prevent further aging. Number 4, ice rolling for an instant lift. Ice rolling is a quick and effective way to tighten skin and reduce puffiness. Start by freezing leftover flaxseed gel or green tea in ice trays. Once frozen, gently roll the ice cubes upward on your cheeks, jawline, and neck for 2 minutes each morning. With consistent use, you'll notice your jawline looking sharper and your skin appearing more lifted and snatched. Why it works? The cold temperature constricts blood vessels, reducing puffiness and tightening pores. It also boosts circulation, giving your skin a natural, healthy glow. Number 5, the 2-minute massage trick. This simple massage technique revives dull skin and boosts circulation. Start by applying flaxseed gel or your favorite cream to your face. Using your fingertips, gently massage in circular motions. Begin at your chin and move upward to your temples. For the under eye area, use light tapping motions, like playing piano keys, to avoid tugging on delicate skin. Why it works? Massaging increases blood flow, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. It also helps drain excess fluid, reducing puffiness and promoting a more youthful appearance. These 5 methods are simple, natural, and effective ways to tackle wrinkles and sagging skin. Each one is designed to deliver visible results in just 3 to 7 days, using ingredients you likely already have at home. Whether you're looking to plump, firm, or brighten your skin, these solutions have you covered, and all ingredients cost less than $20. Click subscribe now for more life-changing anti-aging secrets. This is your chance to wake up to firmer, smoother skin, or keep wasting money on creams that don't work. The choice is yours, but your skin deserves better. Want to erase wrinkles even faster? Watch my next video. Erase wrinkles in 3 minutes using this simple ingredient. I'll show you a trick so simple, you'll wonder why no one told you sooner. But hurry, this video won't stay up forever. Your smoother, younger looking skin is just 3 minutes away.